Hello there, and welcome back to AI copywriting tools. You've probably seen a fair few videos floating around about how to make money online with AI tools. Most of them promise all the moons of Jupiter, but leave you scratching your head, trying to figure out how to navigate complex software or write prompts that read like a university dissertation. But today, we're doing things a bit differently. We're looking at a platform that has completely changed the game for me recently, artspaceai. What makes this AI software so brilliant is its sheer utility and simplicity. They recently rolled out a massive suite of over 230 specialized one-click tools. It is quite literally a matter of uploading an image, clicking a single button, and letting the machine do the hard work in about 15 seconds to produce stunning AI images. Even better, every single plan they offer includes full commercial usage rights, which means you legally own all the AI-generated art you create and can sell it without looking over your shoulder. This ArtspaceAI tutorial will show you how to turn this app into a proper income stream. Here are 5 direct ways to make money with ArtspaceAI. Number 1 is offering a premium photo restoration and colorization service using Artspace as a professional AI photo editor. Think about how many families have old, dusty shoeboxes filled with faded black and white photographs of their grandparents or historic family events. These photos are often scratched, torn, or terribly blurry, and people are more than willing to pay good money to see them brought back to life. Traditionally, doing this required hours of meticulous work in Photoshop. With this AI software, however, it is an absolute doddle. You simply take a high-quality scan or even a clear smartphone photo of the old picture, bring it into the Tools mode, and select the Restore Old Photo tool. There is no typing required. It is fully automatic. Within seconds, the system repairs the scratches and smooths out the imperfections in the AI photos. Then, you run it through the Colorize black and white tool, and suddenly, that 90-year-old photograph looks as vibrant as if it were taken yesterday. Finally, you tap the Sharpen Pro tool to crisp up the details and run it through the 4K upscaler to ensure it looks spectacular when printed. You can set up a profile on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or even advertise in local community groups. Charging £15 to £25 per photograph is incredibly reasonable for the customer. But, given that it takes you less than 2 minutes of actual work, the hourly return on your time is absolutely massive. Moving on to number 2, and this one is a goldmine for anyone looking to work with businesses. E-commerce product optimization and creating realistic AI photos for virtual try-ons. Every online shop, whether it is a giant Shopify store or a small boutique on Etsy, relies entirely on high-quality visuals to sell products. Hiring professional photographers and renting studio space costs an arm and a leg. This is where you come in as a highly efficient digital agency of one, using professional AI software to generate commercial assets. Using Artspace's advanced models, like Flux Context or Seedream, you can take a basic amateur photograph of a product, say a handbag, a water bottle, or a shoe, and transform it into a luxury commercial asset. First, you use the one-click background removal tool to perfectly isolate the subject. Then, you select the Change Scene tool and type in exactly where you want that product to live. You can place a skincare bottle on a marble countertop surrounded by morning sunlight, creating beautiful AI images, or a hiking boot on a rugged mountain peak. On top of that, the software has specialized tools like the wedding suit try-on or the bouquet try-on, alongside clothing and pose changes. You can literally help fashion brands create entire lookbooks or virtual try-on models without them ever needing to manufacture the garments first or hire a single model. Reach out to local independent shops or message sellers on Etsy who have great products but dreadful photos. Offer them 3 professionally staged images for free, and once they see the breathtaking quality of these AI photos, you can easily sign them up for a monthly retainer to manage all their product imagery. Next up is number 3, which focuses on the print-on-demand market and selling digital wall art created with an AI art generator. Now, you might think the print-on-demand space is a bit crowded, and you wouldn't be entirely wrong. However, the reason most people fail is because they use the same generic stock images that everyone else has access to. Artspace allows you to create entirely original, high-fidelity AI images that have never existed before, giving you a massive competitive advantage. If you want to sell abstract art prints, nature landscapes, or minimalist poster designs on Etsy, Redbubble, or Amazon, you can use the core text-to-image generator. If you are struggling to come up with the right words, you can make use of the built-in prompt optimizer. You just type a very basic idea, like peaceful forest in the autumn, and the optimizer automatically rewrites it into a highly detailed, professional prompt that ensures a stunning output from the AI art generator. Once the system creates the image, you use the 4K upscaler to boost the resolution up to 4096 by 4096 pixels. This is crucial because it ensures the AI photos remain crystal clear, sharp, and professional, even when printed onto large canvases or posters. You can sell these as physical products through a print-on-demand supplier who handles the shipping for you. Or you can simply sell them as instant digital downloads, which means you have zero overhead costs and 100% profit margins. Our fourth method dives into the massive demand for custom portraits, social media assets, and caricatures made with AI tools. Content creators, streamers, and business professionals are constantly looking for unique avatars and profile pictures that help them stand out online. This platform has a brilliant selection of AI tools specifically designed for altering human features with incredible accuracy. For instance, they have a dedicated caricature tool that transforms an ordinary headshot into a specialized, eye-catching cartoon perfect for YouTube thumbnails or gaming avatars. You can also offer a professional headshot modification service. If a client sends you a casual photo of themselves in a t-shirt, you can use the Change Clothing tool to instantly put them in a sharp business suit. Use the background changer to place them in a modern office, and use the Face Swap or Head Swap tool to ensure the final AI images look perfectly natural and polished. There are even tools to fix a group gaze, whiten teeth, or adjust facial expressions to a warm smile in their AI photos. You can package these services as social media makeovers for LinkedIn professionals or custom artwork for streamers on Twitch. It requires zero artistic background on your part, but the value you deliver to a client who needs a polished digital footprint is immense. Finally, number 5 is creating and illustrating children's books or concept art for independent creators using an interactive AI image generator. This is where Artspace's Canvas mode really comes into its own. While the one-click tools are fantastic for quick turnarounds, the infinite canvas gives you absolute precision and control. Authors who self-publish on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing often struggle to find affordable illustrators, as a single children's book can cost thousands of pounds to illustrate manually. With a powerful platform like Artspace, you can offer book illustration services at a fraction of the cost while still making a fantastic profit. The key here is the system's ability to handle consistent characters and advanced editing features, like inpainting and outpainting. With inpainting, you can select a specific part of an image, say, a character's expression or an object they are holding, and change just that one area without ruining the rest of the picture. Outpainting allows you to expand the borders of your AI images seamlessly, which is perfect for creating double-page spreads in a book format. You can collaborate with aspiring authors to bring their stories to life, or you can write your own simple children's stories using a touch of imagination. Illustrate them entirely within this suite, and publish them directly to Amazon to build a steady stream of passive income. So, there you have it. 5 practical, fast, and entirely achievable ways to make money with AI tools. The beauty of this platform is that it takes away the steep learning curve usually associated with high-end digital design. You do not need to spend months mastering complicated graphic design programs or learning how to write code. The tools are ready and waiting, the commercial rights are completely sorted, and the market for high-quality AI photos and visual content is bigger than it has ever been. It is simply a matter of picking one of these methods, getting your head down, and putting the work in. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, do feel free to leave a like and subscribe to AI Copywriting Tools for more practical guides. Best of luck with your creative ventures, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.